you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this quick install. This is a like tropical install, well not tropical, but this is a vacation install just because it's very quick, it's glueless, and it looks real. So today's wig is in collaboration with Julia Hair. I will have all the links down below if you guys are interested in getting his hair. I got it in a nice length, so I will have all the specs down below. I am going out tonight, so I'm going to show you guys clips of that at the end, so stay tuned and let's get right into this video. This install is pretty much the same as any other install that's glueless, I believe, but I'm going to show you guys anyways how to get it nice, seamless. I did like a wispy edges, but I also made sure that the edges are laid down. So yeah, this is how it looks, and let's get started. Hey guys, I'm on vacation and I'm gonna be installing my wig really quick. You guys already know I haven't filmed in so long because firstly I was in quarantine, all kind of crazy stuff because it's mandatory, but I'm gonna just install my wig really quick. I'm doing a closure wig today from Julia Hair, so I will have all the links down below if you guys are interested. I'm not really gonna be talking through this just because I got this fan because it's so hot, so I'm gonna just do a little music thing and then I'm gonna show you guys my hair at the end. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also going to be having other little content every now and then. So plucked it already. I just plucked it with these tweezers, but this is how it's looking. I made sure that I did the hairline really nice and transparent. I'm going to put my favorite Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. Can you focus? In the color 14. Anyways, it's not focusing, but I'm gonna put this in the lace and then I'm gonna put it in the lace and then I'm going to do an install using mousse just because it's very hot here, so I feel like any type of spray or gel is not gonna work for me. It's gonna make my wig slide off of my head. So I'm gonna be using some Lotta Body mousse, this one in particular, and I'm going to use this to mold down my hair. So this is basically a summer install and glueless.
Yeah. That don't mean that you can't hold it down. Hold it down, man. Hold it down. You say I'm always out of town. That's what you say, right? But I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out, right? Figure it out, you know. I'm just hoping that they hear me. I'm just hoping that they feel me. Yeah. I'm always out of town. But I don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out. I think about what we could have been and get mad excited. Still got love in my heart for you, but I had to hide it. You say we not enemies, but you acting like it. Even in dark times, I'm still at my brightest. I feel like you rooting for others to win. You know that internet shit still get under my skin. I think about your sisters, little brothers and twin. I know they like, I hope you ain't fucking with him. Lately I've been on the road a lot. Been hoping you come around, but I know you not. I never thought we would grow apart. I really gotta pick what I'm choosing to say. I probably wasn't shit, so you threw it away. What's love? Cause I didn't know. I was stuck inside the dirt, I ain't get to grow. Out of 9 years, I ain't got shit to show. And it's just the little things that I miss the most. Being happy is what I pray for. If I could do it over, I would, but way more. I know I'm good by myself, but I gotta make sure. I'd rather break my own heart before I break yours. You said I feel a pain and no doubt it was worse. I haven't heard your voice in a while and it hurts. I know I can't get this all out in a verse, cause I'm mad at you, but I'm still proud of you first. But I'm sure you're fine. I blame myself all the time cause I saw the signs. Wanna move on, then I don't, I'm borderline. But between love and hate, you gotta draw the line. I just hope the love that you getting is more than mine. You made me think ain't no reason to be your friend, cause you ain't even care about leaving me in the wind. I always thought you believed in me in the end, but until we meet again, I'ma hold it down.
Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Julia hair. I will have all the information down below. And yeah, I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm just hoping that they hear me. I'm just hoping that they hear me. I'm just hoping that they feel me. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm always out of town, but don't think that don't mean that we can't figure it out.
I think about what we could have been and get mad excited.